Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 16-inch, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know what's about to change your gaming experience? A laptop that can keep up with you, no matter how fast-paced things get. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 16-inch is a powerhouse of performance and features that are going to make you wonder how you ever lived without it. This laptop is for the gamers who want the best, who don't settle for anything less than perfection. With its incredible specs under the hood, this machine can handle even the most demanding games at max settings, making every session feel like a pro-level experience. Whether you're in the middle of a heated firefight or scrubbing through a timeline, everything on screen feels buttery smooth. But what really sets this laptop apart is its display. The 16-inch WQXGA OLED panel is a visual masterpiece, with an impressive 500 nits of brightness and a staggering 240 Hz refresh rate that makes even the most frenetic scenes look silky smooth. And let's not forget about the HDR 1000 True Black mode, which brings out the deepest blacks and most vivid colors you've ever seen on a laptop screen. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this all just hype? But trust me when I say that the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 16-inch delivers. In my day-to-day use, I've been blown away by its speed and responsiveness, which makes even the most mundane tasks feel fast-paced and exciting. Of course, like any machine, it's not perfect. There have been a few times when the display has flickered slightly or the fans have gotten a bit loud during intense gaming sessions. But these are minor quibbles in an otherwise incredible laptop. So, is this laptop worth buying? Absolutely. If you're a serious gamer who demands the best performance and features without breaking the bank, then the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 16-inch is the clear winner. And if you're looking for a great all-around laptop that can handle everything from gaming to productivity with ease, this machine is definitely worth considering. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.